Sustainable aviation fuel (SAF) is a specialized type of aviation fuel that is produced using sustainable and renewable feedstocks, such as agricultural residues, algae, waste oils, and even carbon capture technologies. SAF is created to reduce the environmental impact of aviation by lowering greenhouse gas emissions. When burned in aircraft engines, SAF generally emits fewer carbon dioxide and pollutants compared to traditional fossil-based aviation fuels. SAF is a crucial part of the aviation industry's efforts to make air travel more environmentally sustainable and reduce its carbon footprint. Certainly, sustainable aviation fuel (SAF) has several key characteristics and benefits. Renewable sources. SAF is produced from feedstocks that can be replenished, including plant-based materials, municipal waste, and even carbon dioxide captured from industrial processes. Reduced carbon footprint. It is designed to lower carbon dioxide emissions, which is vital for mitigating climate change. The production and use of SAF typically results in fewer greenhouse gas emissions compared to conventional aviation fuels. Compatibility. SAF can be used in existing aircraft engines without any major modifications, making it a practical solution for reducing the aviation industry's environmental impact. Drop-in fuel. SAF is considered a drop-in fuel, meaning it can be mixed with conventional aviation fuels and used in the same aircraft and infrastructure. Energy security. SAF reduces dependence on fossil fuels, enhancing energy security by diversifying aviation fuel sources. Technological advancements. Ongoing research and development aim to improve the production processes, cost effectiveness, and availability of SAF. Regulations and incentives. Many governments and aviation organizations are implementing policies and incentives to encourage the use of SAF and reduce its cost relative to traditional aviation fuels. The adoption of SAF is part of a broader effort within the aviation industry to make air travel more sustainable and environmentally friendly. It plays a crucial role in reducing the carbon footprint of aviation and addressing climate change concerns. The adoption of SAF is part of a broader effort within the aviation industry to make air travel more sustainable and environmentally friendly. It plays a crucial role in reducing the carbon footprint of aviation and addressing climate change concerns. Certainly, here are some additional details about sustainable aviation fuel (SAF). Blending ratios. SAF can be blended with traditional jet fuel in various ratios. Common blends include 50-50, 50% SAF and 50% traditional jet fuel, and low ratios like 10% SAF. The specific blend used can affect the environmental benefits. Feedstock variety. SAF can be produced from a wide range of feedstocks, including plant oils, animal fats, waste cooking oil, algae, and even synthetic processes that capture and recycle carbon dioxide emissions. Certification standards. SAF must meet specific sustainability and performance criteria. Organizations like the Roundtable on Sustainable Biomaterials and the International Air Transport Association (IATA) have established certification standards to ensure the sustainability of SAF production. Global adoption. The adoption of SAF is gaining momentum worldwide. Airlines and airports are increasingly using SAF, and some have made commitments to use a certain percentage of SAF in their operations. Challenges. Despite its benefits, there are challenges related to the production, availability, and cost of SAF. These challenges include feedstock availability, production scalability, and economic factors. However, ongoing research and investment aim to address these issues. Long-term impact. SAF is seen as a transitional solution while the aviation industry works on more sustainable technologies, such as electric and hydrogen-powered aircraft. It can significantly reduce emissions in the short to medium-term. Cooperation. The adoption of SAF requires collaboration between airlines, fuel producers, governments, and other stakeholders to create a sustainable supply chain and regulatory framework. SAF is a promising component of efforts to reduce the aviation industry's carbon footprint and transition to more environmentally friendly practices. Its development and adoption are expected to play a crucial role in achieving sustainable aviation in the coming years. Types of SAF. There are different types of SAF, categorized based on their feedstocks and production processes. These include hydroprocessed esters and fatty acids Fischer-Tropsch SAF, and alcohol-to-jet hatch, among others. Each has its own production methods and characteristics. Market growth. The market for SAF is growing, with increased production and use by airlines, driven by environmental regulations and a growing awareness of the need to reduce aviation's carbon footprint.